Hi, I'm Jason Graham, Senior Beekeeping Advisor for Primal Bee, and I'm here to share with you how easy it is to set up your Primal Bee hive when you get it right out of the box. So our Primal Bee hive comes with 8 frames and a couple different options for adding foundation to your frames. Right now I'm demonstrating the deep kits, and this is a deep super. It assembles with pegs and holes and fits together very easy. It's modular, so different parts of this hive can be added to or changed as needed. So you have everything that you need to get started included in the kit. We're going to take this bottom board with a screen in it, place it on the ground, take the nest box, place it on top. I can add the entrance reducers if I'd like, and there's storage for extra entrance reducers. So you want to make sure your frames are prepared. Next, we're going to take our feeder lid with the feeder screen. We can add a plug to it when not in use as a feeder. Next, we'll add a super and the lid. Very easy to put together, very easy to maintain. A hobbyist beekeeper could do this with no assistance needed. Everything you need to get started with beekeeping.